Hey, what's going on, everybody? John Vid here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, we just went ahead and cleaned the concrete driveway, and you know, we did the pool cage. So we got an amazing price on this job today, and it really turned out amazing. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the surface cleaner. Okay, the very professional with the ball valve. And we got this job through Facebook ads. If you want me to hit you up and set up your Facebook ads for you, give me a text at 843-888-2371. Okay, we've got amazing success. We've also got a Facebook group. I'd love to have everybody in the Facebook group as well. So basically, we just cleaned this pool cage right here. Okay, and you know, in my area, the Florida area, you can get a lot of great money doing these pool cages. Okay, so pool cage and driveway was today's wash, and we got a paid great, and we're gonna move on to the next one. So thanks for watching. We're gonna clean the driveway. What do we got here, sir?
All right, we got a soft wash system. We got our mix already in this 55-gallon drum.
All right, so we got our bleach and surfactant in there.
Yep, and we're gonna 12 volt it today, soft wash, just to put the solution down, and then we're gonna surface clean it.
Let's go. Show me your wand.
All right, so I got this new one. I haven't actually see it's still loose, but you got hand tighten these, because if you try to put any kind of pressure on this, it's gonna crack. So, so I just got this gun from Lori Smith at Pressure Washer Products.
Okay.
And you know, this is the newest one.
So we're gonna be
some Viton seals in here, which is, you know what I'm saying, they last longer for the SH.
Okay. So we're gonna be 12 volt pumping the driveway. Let's do it.